Welcome to help screen. So if you are having a problem on your camera on your phone and you want to enable it, first thing, go to Google, or you could just simply go to the search or notification bar over here, and you should be able to see the gear icon on the top right corner. It will redirect you to the settings. Now select search at the top right over here. Now just simply search for permission. Now you have to go to permission manager over here on the apps tab. And now here you should be able to see camera. As you can see, I have 43 apps totaled and only 15 applications are allowed. So from here, if you are having problems with your apps, as you can see, we have the category denied. So just simply select an app that you are having problem with. Let's say CapCut. I'm gonna select allow. And from there, CapCut will now have access to my camera and I should be able to use the camera within the app. And that's simply about it. If you found this video helpful, guys, subscribe to my channel to support it. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and I will do my best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.